Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video is going to be all about the wonderful power of rosemary essential oil in order to better your health and your well-being. And of course I'm going to talk on my own personal experience with using rosemary essential oil and what I've found personally to help with that, and what are the kind of favorite blends that I've used to help with everything from helping with hair loss and helping with concentration as well, and helping also with breathing problems. So we're going to discuss that in today's video. And let me remind you that this information in this video, as well as many of our videos in this channel, are for informational purposes only. If you are after customized, personalized aromatherapy advice or herbal advice, please consult your aromatherapist or your medical holistic practitioner for further advice on this case. So using rosemary essential oil has so many different benefits, and I'm sure you've heard me in many of my videos previously talking about how rosemary essential oil has been helped with so many different issues, and also they've done clinical trials that have proved the effectiveness of rosemary essential oil when it comes to increasing and boosting memory and concentration and focus. I've done a video when I first started the channel as a demonstration for that, in terms of rosemary's ability to help with concentration and focus, and it's great for students as well. So in the study, I will link it in the description box below. What happened is they used the rosemary essential oil in the inhalation method, in using it in the humidifier as well. Just the aroma of the rosemary essential oil has massively boosted the students' retention and the students' concentration and focus. So that is a great thing for us to try to use, and the best way that rosemary essential oil needs to be used in the humidifier for that exact same purpose, is to help with boosting concentration and helping to boost retention of information as well. So if you're a student, it would be great for you to either have a humidifier in the area that you study in, pour water, filtered water, and then a couple of drops of rosemary, a couple of drops of peppermint would be great as well, because peppermint has similar benefits as well to rosemary for helping to bring clarity. And then I would personally add a citrus essential oil, like 1 or 2 drops of citrus essential oil, whether that's lemon, whether that is bergamot or grapefruit, just to bring a little bit of balance to the potent essential oils, so it won't be extremely too pepperminty and rosemary in the room or in the house, just to bring that balance and that extra boost of the aromas that I need without being overly too potent. So that's for the concentration part of things. But rosemary essential oil is great to stimulate the scalp, great for helping to relieve dandruff, great for helping to boost hair growth as well. So it's one of these essential oils that has been used across history for as a basic hair and scalp tonic, and that is basically by adding the rosemary essential oil, around 5 to 10 drops, to the shampoo, and then using it as a shampoo. Please make sure to keep it away from sensitive areas such as your face, your eyes, your mouth as well. Another way is you can use rosemary essential oil with water, and use it as a hairspray before the shower or after the shower as well, if you really want to help in maintaining scalp health and hair health as well. Rosemary is also great for helping to ease breathing. I usually diffuse it in the air after any sort of case of cold, flu as well in the house. I put a couple of drops of rosemary essential oil in the humidifier and just allow it to infuse in the air, and the aroma is amazing when it comes to helping to kill off whatever any bugs that we're having, and to help reduce the spread of that. Now, this is my personal experience with that, and it's backed up by what are the benefits that I found in rosemary in terms of it being great stimulating oil, also antibacterial and antiseptic as well. And for another type of way to use rosemary essential oil, if you are suffering from a cold, rather than infusing it, you could also add the essential oils to the inhalation method. We talked about inhalation before, and that is basically by adding 3 drops of rosemary, add 3 drops of tea tree to a bowl of nearly boiling water. Please make sure to keep it away from children and stay safe. Close your eyes as you're inhaling and inhale the vapor for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you're not familiar with the inhalation method, I highly advise you to read and research more about it before going ahead and doing it, to make sure that you do the right precautions and the right steps, because this video I'm not able to mention the exact steps right here right now. So that would be great if you could use the inhalation method by using rosemary and by using tea tree for helping to ease breathing and helping to reduce phlegm and mucus as well. And another great thing to use rosemary essential oil is to basically helping with clearing the mind. If you are vulnerable to stress as well, you can diffuse rosemary along with peppermint in the humidifier for that reason. So we've come towards the end of our video today. Thank you so much for watching towards the end. Like, share and subscribe, and if you enjoy content like this, make sure to support the channel